Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to send a feedback on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen under the crown, and in the left bar you can find the service center option. And if you want to send a feedback, click to the first button, the feedback, and here you can send an email for the creators, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.